A quick video just to let you know that Michael Austin is now funded from the Mogwai Reversal strategy. Now, why is this so important? You know what? It's not. But the fact I made this video, his head is going to explode. It's going to be that big. But basically, it's very interesting because a few weeks ago, I talked about a Mogwai Reversal hyper-growth compound strategy that Michael Austin was doing. Okay? And if you actually look at the timescale on when that video went out to now, he's now funded from it. So I'm going to go over what he exactly does. Now, I was going to get him on a video, on an interview, so he could explain himself, but obviously I haven't had time to do that. So over the next week or so, I will get him on an interview and he can basically explain to you how he trades the Mogwai Reversal strategy, the man behind the strategy. But this is kind of just a brief overhaul on how he trades. So Michael Austin will only trade. In fact, let me just show you his results, okay? And then we'll go in like that, okay? So this is from the top. What's this here? Hi everyone, introducing myself. I'm from India. I enrolled in the BD this month. Only today I took my first Mogwai strategy, got a 1-to-1. That's good. I love it when a BD member trades the original Mogwai strategy. This is me doing a prop firm challenge on Forex Yield CBOT EA. That's it there. It's prop firm challenge. What's this here? Good start to the week. Where is here? Where is it? Here we go here. Right, here we go here. Hi BD family. Another week of trading smashed. This week's has been amazing. I've done 120% in 4 days, and that is not even a joke. Right, that is genuinely true. Telegram smashed it, past FTMO, just doing Mogwai R 1-to-2. Someone asked for the pictures of the bad setups. Again, do not trade London Open, just Mogwai. So you can see here all of his trades. Before, after, that's a loss. Before, win, win, win. Okay, loss, win. But again, another one here. But what's interesting is he will only trade GPUSD. So he will trade one currency pair. Okay? He will go for a minimum 1-to-2. He won't manage the trade. So it's either a win or a loss. It's either losing 1% or making 2%. Now he will stop after one win a day. So essentially, if I can find it very quickly, you can tell I haven't planned this at all. Let me try and find it. There is what he does. Let me see if I can find it. Right, I've had to do a different approach. I've searched hypergrowth in Mogwai Reversal to try and find you the rules. Thanks for this amazing strategy. I'm up 3% on this hypergrowth. Trading only GU. Here we go here. Right, is this it? Okay. So basically what he does, okay, is he trades Mogwai Reversal 1-to-2, one currency pair, and he will risk 10% to make 20%. Okay, if that's a loss, he then risks 20% to make 80% or 40%. I think it's 40%. Okay, hold on. I think I've got it written up here. Give me a sec here. Hypergrowth. I'll try and find you here. You go for high risk reward. Yeah, here we go. So he'll risk 10% to make 20%, 20% to make 40%, 30% to make 60%, and 40% to make 80%. Okay? So like he says, right, he will, hold on, I think I've actually got it written down here. You can see this is terrible. Hypergrowth. Here we go here. Basically, what he does is he just goes crazy, just makes, absolutely kills it. Hypergrowth, so essentially risk 10% to make 20%, etc. He will only take one winning trade a day, okay? So as soon as he gets a winning trade, he will stop. So if the first trade is a loss, he goes to step 2, right? If step 2 is a winner, he's made 20%, I think, and then that's him done. I'll get him on a video. I've completely messed up because I don't even know I haven't actually got the rules in front of me. Let me see if I can find them. Okay, so I found roughly what they are, right? Where is it? I have done 14 weeks hypergrowth and made around 1,600%. So GU only after London Open. So he trades GPUSD, one currency pair after London Open, 1 to 2 only, no break even, and that is it. That's all literally he does, okay? Like I said, I will get him on a Zoom call exactly what he does. So let's quickly go over what he does on the charts, okay? So I'm just going to pick a random currency pair. Let's pick USD CAD. That's a nice buy just there. You know what? Let's go GPUSD and we're going to pick a random day because obviously let's do yesterday, yeah? Let's simulate yesterday, right? So where's yesterday? Here we go here, London Open. Okay, Friday. Here we go here. Right, you ready? Done. Okay. So Michael Austin, he's jumped on the charts. This is Monday, which is yesterday. Okay, he's doing his trading, right? Again, he will take any setup. He doesn't take the first pullback. He will take any setup as long as it meets his rules. So he looks for perfect pullbacks like V formation. If you actually look at his trades, notice how they're a V formation. Okay, V formation. Look, V formation. Okay, V formation. Or that's an upside down V, but yeah. Okay, so that's essentially what he does. So again, he's on the charts now. No setups have appeared. You know, he's kind of just waiting around. Again, nothing at the minute. Okay, we're now going into an uptrend. We're going into an uptrend. And, okay, here we go. Here, bang. Right, okay, set up. Does Michael Austin take this setup? Of course it does. It's a nice V formation. He's not bothered if it's the first pullback or an area of structure. If it's a V formation and he likes the pullback, he's in a trade, okay? Now, bear in mind, with the hyper growth, he's risking 10% to make 20%. That is it. No managing it. He'll either lose 10% or make 20%, right? There we go there. So stop loss of 8 pips. I mean, I don't know if we would have gone for 8 pips, but I would have gone for 8 pips. Okay, 16 pip take profit. Okay, does this trade win? Let's see what happens. Okay, that's done. Okay, done. So that's it there. He's just made 20%. Done. Will not take any more trade. One winning trade a day. That is done. He'll come back tomorrow. Okay, so that is literally all he does. Now, like he says with the hyper growth strategy, I will get him on a call. Okay, I do apologize, unorganized today. Now, one thing he did say, okay, is that if you are doing this on a small account or whatever, is eventually you will blow this account. So the idea is fast profits, fast growth. And the idea is as soon as you make profits, you start withdrawing it. So to give you an example here, he would have made 10%. Okay, but the trick is to withdraw it. So obviously here, he would have made 20%. So he would withdraw 10%, which sounds crazy, withdrawing 10% profit in one day. He would leave another 10% in there and he would just build it up. But like I said, eventually you will blow the account, but you'll get to a certain point where you'll make 100, you'll make like 100, like he said here, on this one here, just 3 days ago, he made 120% in 4 days. So even after the 4th day, you withdraw 100%, right? You've got your money back and all that you are now risking is profit. It's insane, isn't it? Anyway, like I said, I will get him on a Zoom call so you can actually, you can hear it from the man himself. But basically, he's been funded, Mogwai Reversal strategy, going for 1 to 2, hypergrowth strategy. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching.